you can get literally $1,000 increase in your paycheck every single month. I know that your trainer I know that your trainer, he's not gonna like this video, man. Shoot, I'm snitch. I'm so snitch. Looking bonito.
Chicken breast?
Chicken breast?
You wanna try it?
Yeah, I wanna try it.
Okay, you want a single or double each?
Single or double?
You want or two patties?
Yeah, two.
Two patties.
Yeah, I'm gonna use my love phone.
And the charger receipt?
Please. Today I spent $8.30 on my breakfast, $13 on my shower, and $20.36 on my meal. That means I spent today $41.68. Every single week I'm spending $292. $292 in food and take shower. And you guys should talk with your trainer. Like, it's not fair that he can get it's not fair that he can get all the points. You guys can split the points. Man, we all have a family situation at home. It's not fair we be here over the world spending all this money with food. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, a like. Please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and let me know what can I improve in my channel. Leave a comment on my channel. Guys, be safe out there.